Let's discover Prospace Plus. To erect Prospace Plus, you use uprights, left to right beams, front to back beams, interior tubes and plastic caps. Decide where the shelving is going to be installed on the ground before starting to erect it. Start by fitting the plastic caps on the uprights. There is no top or bottom, uprights are reversible, so no possibility of mistakes. Stand the uprights against a wall and fit the left to right beams in them, not forgetting to choose the shelf height required. The front beams are hooked onto the uprights by fitting the prongs into the holes. Holes are provided in the uprights every 40 mm, giving a very wide range of possibilities when adjusting the shelf height. Once the Prospace Plus front and back have been erected, connect them together with front to back beams, located at the same level as the front beams. Continue installing the front to back beams. With the connector system, Prospace Plus allows you to secure the right to left beams and front to back beams to the upright without slightest problem. You have completed the structure. All that is left is to fit the interior tubes. The number of interior tubes depends on the depth of the shelving. 300, 350 and 400 mm deep, 1 tube. 500 mm deep, 2 tubes. 600, 700, 800 mm deep, 3 tubes. 1000 mm deep, 5 tubes. The perfectly rigid shelves can support loads from 100 to 250 kilograms. They can be fitted with hardboard cover for the storage of small parts. Prospace Plus also exists in a steel-clad version. Let's discover it. To erect Prospace Plus cladded, you use uprights, frame with horizontal bracing or with solid cladding, clips, cross bracing or back cladding, base plates or plastic caps. Decide where the shelving is going to be installed on the ground before starting to erect it. Start by fitting the plastic caps on the uprights. There is no top or bottom, uprights are reversible, so no possibility of mistake. There are 2 types of frames, with horizontal bracing and with solid cladding. With the braced version, fit and bolt the braces inside the uprights of 200 mm from each end. With the clad frame version, put the steel cladding inside the uprights and fit bolts about every 800 mm. Once the 2 Prospace Plus cladded frames are erected, install the top and bottom shelves to set the bay length, which may be either 940 mm or 1210 mm. The Prospace Plus steel-clad backs have 2 types. With solid clad backs, locate fastenings in the rear of the bay about every 600 mm. Locate cladding and plastic joints. Now bolt all fastenings. For the open version, cross bracing must be fitted every 2 bays for stability reasons. Place the cross bracing on the rear side. Once the shelving structure is completed, put clips on the frames corresponding to required shelf height. There are holes in the uprights every 40 mm, which gives a very wide range of adjustment for the shelf height. Now fit shelves on clips. Shelves are available in several widths. With the open version, cross bracings are tightened once the bay has been assembled. The perfectly rigid shelves can support loads from 100 to 250 kilograms. All the accessories available with the Prospace Plus can be used with this clad version, complementary to the Prospace Plus, thus making up an ultra all-purpose shelving system. Its various accessories multiply the number of versions possible. clothes hanging partitioned or the platform version that can double or even triple the floor space. Fully open and very aesthetic, as no holes can be seen from the front, the Prospace Plus is easy to integrate in any environment. Numerous companies have chosen it for its adaptability and ease and quickness of assembly. Prospace Plus, the adjustable open shelving system for efficient and competitive storage of small and medium-sized products.